Everyone must play a part in protecting the environment. There are many things you can do on your own every day to help save the planet. Here are some suggestions. Reduce. Really, the best thing we can do for the planet is to use its resources properly. Our unplanned activities are mainly responsible for the environmental crisis. Here are some questions you can ask yourself before buying something. Do I really need this, or is there another product which would do the same thing but is more sustainable? Or ask the questions, will this last a long time? Some other questions may be, do I know how its item was made, how it will be used, and how it will be disposed of? Reuse. What do you think of using your own ceramic cup or mug at your school or local club? It means there are no plastic cups to throw away. You can wash it and reuse it every day. Unfortunately, we are encouraged to buy a new, improved item even if the one we have can be repaired or reused. When we buy things, we should buy those that are durable. We should use them properly and have them repaired and necessary. If we practice this, many things will not only last a lifetime but also be passed on for future use. However, if something is truly unusable for its original purposes, try to be more creative and think of how else it might be used. When you are done with it, think of whether someone else might be able to use it. You can donate some of the things to the poor. You may also sell some of your used items through personal advertisements in a local newspaper or in social media. Recycle. Rather than throwing an item out when neither you nor anyone else can make use of it, have it recycled. And if recycling is not possible, it is better to send goods to a landfill or have them burned off. Find out what types of materials can be recycled in your area. Clean and sort the materials before putting them out in the bin. Recycling your drink and food cans means there will be less trash in a resource recovery factory or landfill. Moreover, a company can use the old cans to make new ones.